Hi, my name's Darren Manser and I teach Healing is Easy and Neuromastery. The whole idea of that is to help a person to be their best self in the easiest and most simplest way we possibly can. Healing is Easy is the entry-level product, and the goal with that is to teach you 10 exercises, 10 correction methods to help the person's nervous system to be reset. And if you're a professional, then we've got Neuromastery. And Neuromastery is about completely resetting the nervous system and helping you to uncover exactly what it is that's stressing the nervous system. The process of learning this is actually super easy. One, Healing is Easy. It's a great book, and there's a companion DVD or video set that you can download and stream online. The ultimate goal of Neuromastery is equipping you that you can handle anything that comes your way. If you love to help other people, I invite you to go to our website, contact us, so we can help you in your journey.